Make sure you hit him with the prenup. Make sure you hit him with the prenup. Make sure you hit him. Make sure you hit him. Make sure you hit him with the prenup. Make sure you hit him. Make sure you hit him. Make sure you hit him with the prenup.
We want prenup, yeah. It's something that you need to have, cause when she leave your ass, she gon' leave with half. 18 years, and on her 18th birthday, found out it wasn't his.
Now let's check out the tutorial for our wordplay.
So here we are transitioning between two tracks, Drake's Back to Back and Kanye's Gold Digger.
I know that you gotta be a thug for it. This ain't what she meant when she told you to.
For this transition, we are going to load the original Drake track on the right along with the acapella on the left. We use an echo effect on the breakdown to create some tension. Then we cue up the same point on both tracks, and using the break effect, we drop in the acapella version. Using quick load, we can drop in Gold Digger by Kanye West. This version has an intro before dropping into the track, and you can find intro tracks on many DJ pools online. We then use a cue point on the word prenup and use some scratch combinations before hitting the cue point on the right deck to introduce Gold Digger.
We want prenup, yeah. It's something that you need to have, cause when she leave your ass, she gon' leave with half. 18 years, and on her 18th birthday, found out it wasn't his.
So I hope that gave you some inspiration for your DJ sets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.